To swap out an old chain, you'll need a 15mm wrench, your new single speed chain, a chain breaker tool if you have one, a Phillips head screwdriver, and if you don't have a chain breaker tool, bolt cutters will come in handy. Now we're going to start by using the 15mm wrench to remove the pedal, and remember we always loosen pedals towards the rear of the bike and tighten towards the front. Then we're going to take off the chain guard by removing the 3 Phillips head screws holding it to the frame. And with the chain now exposed, go ahead and use your chain breaker tool to drive a pin out, disconnecting the chain. And if you don't have a chain breaker tool, just use the bolt cutters to cut the old chain off of the bike. When you're unpackaging your new chain, be sure to set the master link aside and don't lose it. This is a very important piece that'll connect the 2 ends of the chain. Now drape the new chain around the drivetrain, but not on the gearing itself. This will give you the slack you need to install the master link. Now insert 1 pin from the master link into each open end of the chain. Then position the side plate over the 2 pins of the master link and slightly flex the chain inwards to get it to snap into place. Realign your chain onto the gearing, starting with the rear cassette, then draping the chain over the top of the sprocket and rotating the cranks forward to get the rest to snap on. Now slide the chain guard back over the crank arm and into place, then by hand thread in the 3 retaining screws. Then go ahead and tighten those back up with the Phillips head screwdriver. Now the last step is to reinstall your pedal, always threading in by hand first to avoid any cross-threading, then tightening towards the front of the bike.